Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Todd Blackwell. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I want to take you out on the lot today and show you one of our newest arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Ford Fiesta SE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with keyless entry, power side mirrors with signals, lightly tinted glass, and much more. The 2015 Ford Fiesta is a fun-to-drive small car with nicely trimmed cabin, excellent build quality, and plenty of connectivity features. This Fiesta has 15-inch painted aluminum alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Fiesta is in great condition. It has fully automatic aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with perimeter lights and a really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine with automatic transmission. This Fiesta has front-wheel drive, and it's estimated that the drivers receive an impressive 31 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Fiesta has only 39,290 miles on it. At the back of the Fiesta, you can see the antenna, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Fiesta has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the cup holders and the power outlet, as well as the back seat storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice piano black and metallic accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable heated cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Fiesta is also equipped with a perimeter alarm, door bins, and selective service internet access. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver express up and down. This Fiesta has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has speed compensating volume. You also have automatic climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.